Hello everyone, this is Sandeep, and I actually, the thing is, like, long back I made a video, and again I am making it because I think these statistics, out of all the things, these are actually very very dangerous for India. Rather than, because India, the density of population is huge, and it will create lots of problem, and we should try to help out. See, already around 400,000 people. Now, we all know that in each family member, chacha, mama, tau, and all relatives and cousin, 200 people are there. So, multiply this with 200 factor, it means that it has already started affecting 8 crore people in India, or you can say 80 million people. Some or the other person, one member of them, is affected by this. But more important thing than this thing is, I want to take your attention is into this statistics, the amount of testings we have done. Now, see the bracket of countries which are uh, near to us. Okay, so none of these countries, up or down, are coming nearby to us in terms of amount of testing. We have done so low testing, and this is very dangerous for us. You know, this amount of low testing is very very dangerous for us. We need to, because if population is not tested, how will you know that how many people are affected? And hence we need to make testing compulsory and find out easier methods. I don't know where are these IITs and why they have not found out. All these institutes should be testing grounds for the population. Now this, so the real, it will not, we have 14,000 people increase, so it will not stop. We have to work hard in order to take this away. Many countries, where the testing is high, they are able to reduce the impact of coronavirus. Another thing which I want to show you has happened good in India since where we last uh, you know relayed in this statistics. When you go to country India, let's see this here, and see the statistics here. Still, the we are not, the curve is not coming down. So one of the primary reasons, see, we have spikes of how it is. But the only good thing which has happened here is this thing. See, the recovery rate has gone to 95%, and this is one the statistics I wanted to tell you. When I made this video, our recovery rate statistics were around 69%, and I told that at that time that this is the most important statistics. And because of this statistics, we were able to save from 69% to, now you see, 96%, which means like we were able to save 69 to 89 is 20%, and this 25% deaths we were able to save. So we were able to save 100,000 people. 400,000 people are affected in India, so 100,000 deaths are reduced. So we need to still, this is very good statistics, 94%, but if we can take it something around 98, 99%, there is nothing like it. Some countries have 98, 99% also. We need to set the standards high, and then what we have to do is, because it will keep our cost high also. Okay, to reduce the cost, what we need to say, we need to reduce the first time infection, and that can only be reduced by testing. Hence, we are back to this, uh, We need to increase testing per million population. Right now, testing per million population in India is only, you know, uh, so testing per million population in India, see, total cases, test per million population in India is only 4,000. From here, we need to go somewhere near, 100,000. So we need to increase it 25 times. How can we do it? All the institutes, all the colleges, all the schools, all the hospital can become, testing ground for testing patients. And we need to quickly, reduce our country exposure to this. Otherwise, it can, boomerang. Hence, it is very important. So last time I have made the video and I told them, I told today at that time that don't take it lightly. It is very dangerous. At that time, number of cases were only 4,000. And today I am making it again this video. The cases have gone 100 times to 400,000 from 4,000 when I made last video. And still I am saying that it is still picking up and it might go further. So don't take it lightly. It is very, very, very dangerous testing and sanitizing, like this our Sikh brothers are doing using hydrogen peroxide. Some people should make group of people and mix water with peroxide and keep throwing at some cleaning places. So we should make self-help group and through hydrogen clean public places, seats publicly. Every society should have one person doing that. So that is the only way. We have to quickly reduce this exposure. Already economy has gone minus, 10%. The unemployment rate is 22%. हमारे कंट्री में इस समय 25%, हर 4 में से एक व्यक्ति बेरोजगार है। तो ये इतनी ज़्यादा बेरोजगारी जो है जुर्म को जन्म देती है। तो हमें इसको भी कम करना है। अल्टीमेटली इसके जो सफरर हैं पुलिस और सिस्टम ही होगा। तो उनको अभी से और स्कूलिंग कॉलेजेस IIT सबको मिलके इसको कम करना चाहिए रादर देन कि कोई सॉफ्टवेयर बनाए। ग्राउंड में जाके टेस्टिंग और काम होना चाहिए। ये बायोटेक्नोलॉजी और केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग लेबोरेटरीज जो है उनको आगे आना चाहिए और हर स्कूल कॉलेज का नेटवर्क बना के 25 गुना टेस्टिंग करनी चाहिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच। आई वांट टू just thank you. Keep watching my channel. And I don't create a fuss and create. We are actually in a crisis like situation, but when I say something I mean it. I don't say because of any bias thinking. Okay, so there is no biasing. If you are thinking I am saying because of this or that, BJP, Congress, I am not. I am just telling you independently that this is a dangerous situation and whole world should try to get out of it. Okay, thank you.